Hello. Okay, welcome, guys. Our writing lesson for today, Monday, what we have been doing is we have been reading a story about exploring the world. It was a story about a woman who lived alone for a while, and then she went out to explore the world. She went and explored West Africa, remember? And she brought back a whole bunch of memories, and she loved that country so much that she considered it her own home. So now that we're done reading the story, we were brainstorming about what places we would like to visit around the world. So there are many ways to explore the world. We talked a little bit about adjectives and nouns. Adjective, it's a word that describes a noun, and a noun is a person, place, or thing. So the pretty cat, the sad girl, the funny girl, okay? So an adjective is what describes the noun, what describes the person, place, or thing. So our descriptive essay, we're going to start brainstorming a little more today. Let's see. Okay, so it says write an essay describing a place you want to visit. So we talked a little bit about places we wanted to visit, and we wrote that down. We said they could be places around the world, they could be places around the state, but I tried to encourage you to get somewhere around the world or somewhere maybe within the city. As you write your descriptive essay, we're going to use a lead sentence to introduce our topic. A lead sentence means you're writing in a complete sentence. That means you would say, the place I would most like to visit around the world is blank, period, right? And then you're writing an introduction that tells about the place. This place is located in what continent? Or this place is in Antarctica. Or this place is, I don't know, in Africa. Okay, tell me about the place. This place is hot. This place is cold. This place, tell me about that place. What do the people do at that place? What can you do at that place? Why do you want to go to that place? You're going to use details, descriptions, and examples, and then you're going to add a conclusion that wraps up your topic. Whew, Miss Yusuf, that's a lot. It's okay. We're going to break it apart, okay? So what we're working mostly on today is setting goals. So we're going to set goals for writing. So be sure your descriptive essay has to include these things: a clear lead sentence, details that develop a topic, a strong conclusion, correct spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. Be sure you follow each step of the writing process. Write your personal goals. So today we are really focusing on writing our goals. What do we mostly want to focus on in this writing? Are we mostly focusing on making our writing clear? Are we mostly focusing on details that support the main idea? Are we mostly focusing on coming up with a good ending, a good conclusion? Or are we mostly focusing on spelling and capitalization? What is your goal? You know what you are good at, and you know what you struggle in. Maybe you struggle with more than one thing. Maybe you struggle with all of this, and that's okay. Because right now, what we're going to do is I'm going to ask you to set your own goal. So you're going to write your goals down. I want you to pick 2 goals that you're going to write down, and then why are these your goals? Why did you choose this as your goal? So again, you're going to choose one of these 4. You can either choose, I'm going to erase that. You can either choose a clear lead sentence. You want a better lead sentence to develop your topic. You could say, I want to work on developing details for the topic. You can say, I want to mostly work on coming up with a good ending, a good conclusion, or I mostly want to focus on spelling, capitalization. So whatever your goal is, you're going to rewrite it here. So you're going to rewrite 2 of these 4 things here. And then why are these your goals? You're going to tell me why you chose that goal for 1 and why you chose that goal for 2. Now, your next thing is, Miss Yusuf, I don't have this paper. What are you talking about? That's okay. I know you don't have this paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your writing notebook. What notebook? Writing notebook Not your word work notebook, not your reading notebook, writing notebook. You're going to turn to the next blank page, and on that page, you're going to write goals. Okay, what are you going to write? Goals. At the top, you're going to write goals, and then or you can say set goals for writing. How about that? You're going to write set goals for writing at the top. Then you're going to write your name. So my name is Noor. I'm going to write my name right there. And then I'm going to write my 2 goals. So then I'm going to say 1, 2. And then you're going to write your 2 goals, okay? And then I'm going to want you to skip 2 or 3 lines, and then you're going to write 1, 2 again, and then here you're going to tell me why. So this is supposed to say why. W-H-Y. So why did you choose that one for your goal number 1? And then why did you choose that one for goal number 2? Remember what you're writing here, your goals, you're writing one of these 4 things, okay? So I'm going to erase this so you kind of can read it because I wrote on top of it. And then you can go ahead and pause the video so you can see this more clearly, okay? I'm going to erase that. Okay, now I'm going to give you a chance to go ahead and pause the video now. All right, and again, remember, on your paper, you're going to write this for the title, you're going to write your name, and then you're going to write 1, and then you're going to write 2, and then here you're going to write what your 2 goals are. That means you're going to write one of these 4 things, and then you're going to skip a few lines. You're going to write why, and then you're going to write 1 and 2 and tell me why this goal, you chose that goal, and why you chose that goal. We're going to try to meet this goal in our writing. So today we're setting goals. Tomorrow we're going to dive deeper, okay? All right, guys, have fun learning. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you later.